Today, I want to talk about decluttering. Hi everyone, welcome to Lifestyle C. It's Sungeun. I'm an interior designer and I create videos about poetic interior design and lifestyle. Last week, I shared my ideas about a plan for your dream lifestyle, and I think that the first and the most essential step to get closer to your dream lifestyle is to declutter and organize your surroundings. So before I resume making videos about interior design and home decor next week, I want to talk with you guys about decluttering. I'm going to tell you about 22 things that you can consider letting go of to feel more fresh and light in your home. Well-considered color schemes will help your home look more cohesive. If you have too many different colors in one room, your room will look untidy. Choose a small percentage of your room to be one or two accent colors. These days, I also love monochromatic color schemes, which means that all the colors are in the same color group but with different shades. Keep in mind your color scheme whenever you buy new things. Try to conceal items that aren't in your color scheme after you use them, and eventually replace those items with ones in your color scheme. Donate the holiday items that you didn't use last Christmas or you think that you won't use next year. I confess that I also kill plants sometimes, although I desperately try to save them. However, if we can't save them, it's time to let them go. It's better to get a new plant pot when you bring home a new plant. How many guests do you usually have in your home and how often? You might keep too many extra dishes and bed linens just in case. One set of basic and quality dishware and bed linens are okay if you don't throw parties every week. It's a similar reason like guest items. If you have too many mismatched dishes and cups, they will mess up your home very quickly. Instead of picking up loads of dishes and cups from the cupboard whenever you use, try to wash and use just a few items. Sort out the ingredients you only used once, the food you tried but you didn't like it, the teas you don't enjoy drinking, expired ingredients, or leftover sweets from the last holiday season. Keep your kitchen simple and fresh with healthy food. My most disliked chores was doing laundry because I didn't like having many small things to fold and trying to find the matching pairs. So I'm trying to keep my family's socks and underwear in small amounts and wash them at least once a week. The same principle applies to clothes. I found myself feel more confident with a small but well-curated wardrobe, and I have less laundry too. It's quite easy to increase the number of towels. When you buy new towels or get them as a gift, let go of the old ones. You might think you will read them again, but I'm pretty sure that you won't, so leave only the books you reread regularly. Collect scattered paper, bills, and receipts from your holders, bags, drawers, or shelves, and sort them out and keep them in one place or deal with them. We have smartphones. So once you save the contact details, you can get rid of them. If you really like the design, you can keep a few. Last year, I was so overwhelmed because of a lot of files got scattered everywhere once I lost my organization system. I tried to organize them many times, but I wasn't able to manage them. So this year, I decided to clean up my computer and laptop and transferred all my data to my external hard drive. I gave myself a clean slate, set a well-organized file system, and brought back only some essential files. Simply unsubscribe to newsletters that you don't read anymore and keep only 1 or 2 newsletters that you really enjoy reading. Also, putting the no junk mail sign on your mailbox will reduce your paper clutter. If you think that you are going to repair some broken items, commit yourself to doing it and set a deadline. After that time, if it is still there, in the same condition, then let go of it. Unfixed broken item will just bring you negative vibes. I used to feel so guilty when I got rid of some presents. However, put yourself in others' shoes. I also bought some last-minute presents and I didn't think that people would keep them for a long time. Sometimes I give some gifts only for fun and I don't want people to feel pressure to keep them forever. So once you enjoy the gifts, it's totally up to you whether you will keep them or let them go. I don't keep lots of toiletries or samples anymore because I know that I only use specific items that have no harsh chemical ingredients. Sometimes you get perfumes as a gift, but you might not enjoy them. I found a method for using perfume as a luxury room diffuser. If you don't like to spray them on yourself, they might smell good as a room diffuser. Those two areas are easily cluttered with items that have different packaging. So leave only a few items that spark joy and put others in the cabinet after using them. Don't make yourself constantly busy. Set a few main goals for your year, week, or day, and focus on things that really make an impact on your life. It's time to tackle junk drawers. Do you really know that what is inside of them? Don't make your drawers full, but leave some empty spaces. Look around your home and try to find designated places for items left on the floors and furniture surfaces. It's time to take things out of your home and give them the opportunity to be loved by other people. Start decluttering things in the order that you wish and try to put items in the same category together when you declutter. I hope you enjoy your decluttering process and get closer to the environment you wanna live in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you again next week. Bye!